Welcome to Seaborn Visualization Mystery, where you stop guessing what your data look like and start build stunning statistical visual with one line of the code. Let's jump to learning objective. By the end of this lecture, you will not just know Seaborn. You will use it to manipulate data like ML architect. First of all, you're gonna understand the design philosophy of Seaborn and why it complements MatPlot. This is very important. Second, you're gonna learn Seaborn core plot type. Third, you're gonna build the visualization with grouping, aggregation, and even color mapping. Even you're gonna customize themes, plates, context, and size control. Not only that, you're gonna apply Seaborn to real-world EDA and ML workflow. Okay, so let's jump to the very first question here. What's exactly Seaborn and why you gonna use it? So, let's lay here to the foundation of the official expression of Seaborn. But before of that, it's basically a high-level data visualization library built on top of MatPlot that gonna enable you a statistical visualization with minimal syntax. Even gonna give you the ability for automatic aggregation and confidence internal plotting. Not only that, you're gonna have a native support for Panda data frame and series. So we can say Seaborn, it is not just a plotting library. It's a semantic layer over data. You describe your intent, Seaborn figure out how to express it with the right chart, scale, layout. So here, before you plot anything, you need to ask one thing. What I'm trying to discover about this data. Where Seaborn enter, not as a tool, but as your EDA ally. So, let's jump to the new expression EDA. EDA is not just .describe and a few histogram. It's how real machine learning engineer ask question and spot pattern in raw, messy data. I'm gonna give you here a real example. You are about to train a model, but that model have a consistent across regions. Does age distribution skew retention? Seaborn let you explore this visually. Using Seaborn, you can understand it. Okay, let's move to the next question here. Declarative plot, or what we call it, declarative visualization engine. Unlike MatPlotLib, Seaborn is declarative. You say what you want to see. It figure out how to show it. And we're gonna see in the notebook how to do that. So, Seaborn is not just a chart. It's a complete statistical view that's gonna have the median, quartile, outlier, all grouped by region automatically. You didn't group, you didn't sort or even filter. Seaborn took your intent and generated insights. The last one here, as we just mentioned, the aggregation summarizing, all of it gonna be done by Seaborn. That one gonna summarize raw data using a statistical function, as we just mentioned, mean, sum, median, whatever. All of them gonna be grouped by some category. So the next question here, why Seaborn is a game changer for machine learning or even data scientists? That's exactly the important question you have to ask yourself. Let's talk facts. If you are working in machine learning or data science and you are not using Seaborn, you are missing out of a serious power. The first point here, designated for statistical analysis, confidence interval, KDE, bootstrapping support. What does that mean? First, as we know, Seaborn is designed for statistical analysis. So Seaborn gonna give you built-in support for confidence interval and etc. And you are not just visualizing data, you are exploring statistical pattern visually. The second point we are talking about is speed. Seaborn is built for velocity. One line of code create a full plot with a clean statistical meaningful legend and optional facing. The third point here, we are talking about the cleaner code. Seaborn declarative API means you are not just setting axes manually or feeding with subplot. You describe what you want. Seaborn handle the rest. Fewer bugs, easier to debug. The next one we are talking about professional output. So out of the box, your visual look presentation ready, right? The default theme are sharp, minimal, and even readable. The fifth point here, if we're gonna talk about EDA, so with Seaborn, it's gonna be better EDA because you will use histogram, boxplot, KDE, and the real visual tool that show shape, spread, and even the outlier. Now, you might be thinking, why not just stick to MatPlot? It works, right? Well, I'm gonna show you a real comparison between Seaborn versus MatPlot with so many key performance or key difference. The first one here, we're gonna talk in terms of philosophy. MatPlot is imperative. You manually control every element, so you tell it exactly how to draw every piece of the plot. On the other hand, Seaborn is declarative. You tell it what you want to see and it figure out the rest. It's the difference between assembling IKEA furniture and asking an architect to build it for you. The second terminology here, we are talking about data handling. MatPlot is gonna be like you want array, but Seaborn work on data frame. So you work directly with column names, no slicing, no conversion, no even index heading. So I think right now you're gonna see the difference by yourself. The third one here, we are talking about aggregation. So aggregation in MatPlot is gonna be manual via group by .mean, but on the Seaborn it's gonna be automatic. That means MatPlot gonna make you calculate everything, means group by and etc. But Seaborn just say I wanna bar plot or I want to auto compute the mean and everything will be calculated for you. The next one, we are even talking in terms of plot type, and in that one MatPlot gonna give you line, scatter, bar, histo. So MatPlot gonna give you the basics, just the basics. But with Seaborn we have a statistical. You get more, much more. Like I am big fan of heat map or some kind of swarm or KDE and much more. So with statistical baked in. The next one, we're gonna say that one ideal for EDA in terms of Seaborn, and MatPlot is ideal for precise engineering of visual. In terms of theming, I would like to talk about it directly, but I didn't even mention it here. So for the theming, MatPlot require some kind of tuning, okay? Seaborn give you one line to control the entire theme. If we're gonna talk about statistical awareness, So Matplot, unfortunately, no built-in statistical at all, or even error bar. In Seaborn, it's built for a statistical world. So it have confidence interval, have KDE overlay, and much more. The next feature here, if we're gonna talk in terms of the color plate, that one have built-in themes, and that one very limited, very limited. Okay, so that's basically like an overview about the key difference between Matplot and Seaborn. We can say Matplot is a much low level and Seaborn is a smart level. You will still use Matplot under the hood, but Seaborn get you there 10x faster with cleaner visual and better statistical intent. For machine learning and data scientists, it is not even a debate.